Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys another beautiful sweet potato recipe. This is a sweet potato sesame bread. This can be served as a dessert or as a main dish. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss out on upcoming videos. In a bowl, I've added 20 gram of sugar, 200 gram of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon instant yeast and mix well. To this, I'm adding 200 ml of warm water and mix them well. Dough is going to be sticky, but don't worry about it. Just proof it until it doubles in size. Here in a bowl, I have one large sweet potato that I basically steamed and mashed it. To this, I've added 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk, regular milk. Now set it aside. Here in a pan, I've added 1 tablespoon butter. Once it's melted, we are going to add the sweet potato mixture to the pan and then cook them on a medium heat until it's nice and thick. So now we want to make sure it's not sticky on the pan. As you can see, it's nice and still it looks like sticky, but just set it aside to cool down completely. It will be fine. Now the dough has doubled in size. Now I'm going to knead until this dough is nice and soft and roll it and cut into equal shape balls. Now just shape it to an equal sized ball and just flatten it up a little bit and just set it aside. And we are going to second proof this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it has rested well. Now I'm going to just roll it medium size and sprinkle a little flour and add 2 tablespoons or more filling and just flatten it up a little bit. Cover the sides and flatten it up a little bit. Now I've done all this with the other filling. And now I'm going to just brush a little bit water on top of the bread and sprinkle some white and black sesame seed and gently press it down so that it doesn't fall off when we fry them. Here in a hot pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon butter. To this, I've added the bread that we prepared and just cook them on a medium heat so that way the bread cooks through and also it gets this beautiful golden color. As you can see, it's beautifully cooked and you can just serve this with glass of milk, and that's simple. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.